Hey, Scratch lovers! Welcome back to another fun coding video. Today we're exploring the operator block category, the green blocks that help us do math and make smart decisions in Scratch. Let's begin. Add and subtract blocks. U. First, let's look at the add plus and subtract minus blocks. These blocks help us add or subtract two numbers. For example, if we use 2 plus 3, the result is 5. If we use 10 minus 4, the result is 6. Activity. Use a say block from the looks category. Type this say 2 plus 3. Now click the block. Your sprite says 5. That's math in action. Multiply and divide blocks. U. Next, we have the multiply, times, and divide division blocks. These blocks work just like your school math. You can make your sprite do quick calculations. Activity. Type this say 5 times 2. Say 10 divided by 2. The cat will say 10 and 5. Pretty cool, right? Random number block. U. Now here comes the most exciting one. The pick random 1 to 10 block dice. It picks a random number between any two numbers you choose. For example, between 1 and 10, or even 50 and 100. Activity. Type this say. Pick random 1 to 10. Every time you click it, your sprite says a new number. Like magic. Magic. Puzzle. Combine operators with other blocks. U. We can also combine operator blocks with other blocks to make our programs smarter. For example, you can make the cat ask your name and then add random excitement. This code. Ask, "What's your name?" and wait say, join, hello, answer. For 2 seconds. Say, join. Your lucky number is pick random 1 to 100. For 3 seconds. Now the cat greets you and gives you a lucky number. recap and fun challenge. U. So let's recap. Add and subtract blocks. Do basic math. Multiply and divide. More calculations. Pick random for games and surprises. Checkmark combine with other blocks to make your project creative. Challenge for viewers. Try making a quiz game where the sprite asks you a math question and checks your answer using operator blocks. If you enjoyed learning operator blocks, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your coding friends. Next, we'll explore control blocks, the real power of logic in Scratch. See you in the next video. Happy coding!